So today we are going to see a lesson on how to create ledgers in Tally Prime. So I am going to share my screen. So this is a Tally Prime. Whenever we open Tally Prime, it opens like this. It is this box is a gateway of Tally. In this box, different options are provided. So now today we want to create ledgers. Create Now it leads to the accounts master. In the account master, we will find a group, ledger, currency, and voucher type. Where we now going to create ledger. So this is the ledger. Ledgers are used for entries, business transaction entries in Tally Prime. So different ledgers are given. So first we are creating purchase ledger. For example, purchase ledger under purchase account. Now Now T expenses. It is indirect expenses. We can create under indirect expenses. The commission. It is another ledger commission. So commission under income. It can be direct or it can be indirect, but we will take indirect. So in this way, we can create ledgers. After creation of the ledgers, we will see whether the ledgers are created or not. We will check under the ledgers. So uh, under the chart of accounts, we will go to ledgers. So we created a purchase accounts. So we will see whether the purchase account is created or not. So here is the purchase accounts. The purchase account is created. In the same manner, under please see the bottom of the bottom of the screen. It is under indirect expenses. Please observe the cursor. Under indirect expenses, T expenses are also created. So two accounts we created are already created. In this way, we have already created commission. Commission, we will see income. Under indirect income, commission is also created. In this way, we can check whether the created ledgers are appearing in the Tally Prime or not. So this is the way of creation of single ledgers. In the same way, we will go to create multiple ledgers. Under multiple ledgers, like previously, we will go to ledgers. Here we will see the right side. Please observe the cursor under multi-master. Multi-master, we will press the multi-master and multi-create. So here the in the first of the screen, starting of the screen, we will observe the under group all items. So if you press enter, we will observe right side different options are available. So we have to choose under which we have to create a multiple ledgers. For example, indirect expenses we will observe. will they take indirect expenses. Under indirect expenses, మనం we can create office expenses, administrative expenses, sales staff salaries. So in this way, we have to select one different head, so that we can create all ledgers in that head. So this is for sample. Uh, so we'll go yes. So after creation of the single ledger and multiple ledgers, we have to see whether they are created or not. So we are indirect expenses here. The bottom of the screen. Please observe indirect expenses, administrative expenses, and office expenses are appearing bottom of the screen. So in this way, in Tally Prime, we can create a single ledger and multiple ledgers. Please subscribe the channel and watch the videos regularly so that you can fully acquainted with the Tally Prime. Thank you.